on the hurricane advisory or whatever going on. It's doing it out here. It is doing it. Look at this yard. It's growing. Some trees over there. Earlier I seen some flagpoles look like they were popping like toothpicks. Everybody out there in the Carolina area, the Florida area, the Georgia area, North Carolina area, please be safe and be advised. Don't be out here if you don't have to. Please don't be out here if you don't have to. It's not worth it. I went to work like a fool this morning. I don't know what I was thinking about. Trying to deal with that. So my car died on the way back home. What was going on? Be safe out there, man. Hopefully be safe in there, because it's too much going on. It's too much going on. Too much. Look at all of this. And we're in the Carolinas. Just think about the ones that are in Florida. I can't even fathom what they're going through right now. I can't even fathom what Georgia's going through right